welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing this doll set that I got. It comes with clothes and accessories for dolls, 11 to 12 inch Barbie dolls. Really cute. This is a drawer that you can put in here, and then you can carry everything in this little box. Comes with a lot of dresses. Comes with 5 long dresses, as you can see, and they're really pretty, very well made. It comes with these hangers. If you want to hang the clothes up, they actually, hold, so that's really nice. Then it has short dresses also that you can hang. There's a couple of short dresses, all different styles. Then you have some like sexier dresses, like body dresses, really cute, really nice, sparkly. Then you got some pants, some jeans, some shirts, some bikinis. I think 3 bikinis, 2 bikinis and a one piece. Really nice. You got long shirts,
plenty of shoes,
lots of shoes
and hangers.
Yeah.
There's one bag for flats and one bag for high
heels. So really nice, lots of different, you can mix and match, do whatever designs you want. So it's really cute. Your girls, especially now with the holidays, it's a great gift to give any girls. They'll definitely enjoy playing with all this, and then you can put everything, like I said, put everything away and put it in here, and there you go. Turns into a little carrying case, so you can take it everywhere you go and play with your Barbies. So highly recommend this product. My daughter loves it, and I know your little girls will love it too. Bye.
Bye.